In today's class, we will discuss about how to download only one page from multiple pages. In some of the thumbnails, in some of the templates, so there are many pages like 3 pages, 4 pages, 5 pages, 6 pages, 10 pages. But you want to download only this page. So it is the main problem so many Canva designers facing. So it is very simple. Just click on share button. Just click on download. Just this select pages. Here you do not select all. You select only current page. When you select current page and click on download, only this page will be downloaded. So if you want this page, just click on this page and click on share button. Just click on download button. Just click on here, only current page will be downloaded. Or if you select manually, so I want only second page, just click on second page and done and download. So it is the process to download only one page from multiple pages. If you want to create like this thumbnails, there is a tutorials in my app. Just download MS Apex Visuals app and practice with the hundreds of thumbnails in my app. Thank you.